Okay, beschreib Infoteam in einem Wort.
Infoteam in einem Wort. Zusammenhalt.
Super sympathisch.
Mit einem Wort.
Teamarbeit.
Lustig.
Geiles Team.
Klasse.
Infoteam mit einem Wort geht eigentlich nicht.
Bombe.
For us at Infoteam, software development is more than just a job. We work according to our philosophy that software is a team sport, because we know that we are successful as a team if each of us is able to contribute her or his strengths. We also regard our customers as part of the team, because it is together with them that we are able to develop the best software solutions. Today, Infoteam has more than 350 employees, and we continue to grow.
Infoteam is in the software business since 1983, that is, we are almost 40 years old now. We are located in a small city close to Nuremberg in the north part of Bavaria, and we are proud to have more offices in Germany, in Switzerland, in the Czech Republic, in China, and recently also in Thessaloniki in Greece. Over the recent years, Infoteam has been constantly growing, and we are happy that we are among the most popular employers in Germany. We see this due to two reasons. The one is the amazing team spirit that we see among our employees, and the other reason is the challenging software projects that our engineers are creating for our world-class customers.
Our customers come from 4 major sectors: industry, infrastructure, life science, and public service. They include ambitious startups, innovative hidden champions, and global market leaders such as Framatome, Hamilton, and Siemens Healthineers. We develop embedded software, middleware, and application programs for them, agile, modern, and according to current security requirements. At Infoteam you can, for example, work on passenger information systems for trains, develop software for life-supporting medical devices, or help ensure that interactions with public authorities can be carried out online from home in the future. We facilitate smart energy management, automate and network laboratory equipment, and develop self-learning artificial intelligence systems. We also specialize in the development of software of the highest safety class. On behalf of TK Elevator, we are currently implementing the functional safety control software for their flagship project Multi. In the era of megatrends such as urbanization, mobility, and megacities, the ropeless elevator system is one of the most innovative projects for the global future, the software created by Infoteam. The technologies we deploy are as varied as our projects. Accordingly, we are always happy to have active support from clever software developers like you. We are currently building a new team in Thessaloniki. For this purpose, we are looking for open, creative, and diligent co-thinkers in Greece who are absolute experts in their field. Do you feel like rolling out the Infoteam philosophy on site?
Then I definitely want to meet you. My name is Alexis Papadimitriou, and you can contact me at www.infoteam-software.gr. There you can find all our currently available job vacancies and much more information about our company. Stop by and contact us. I'll be glad to get to know you.